Sharing time and special treats with your pet is a vital part to maintaining a strong bond. However, sharing hitchhiking pests like ticks can be an unpleasant part of responsible pet ownership. I'm Dr. Juli, your go-to native pet vet, and this is Valentino. Today, we're going to discuss how to recognize ticks and what to do when you see one on your pet. It's common to mistake a pet's nipple or skin tag for an engorged or dried dead tick. So before removing a part of your dog's body, make sure to carefully examine that suspicious lesion. When engorged, ticks can range in size from barely visible to the size of a grape. Most are brown or black, and some may have distinguishing marks or spots, depending on the species. Another thing to note is that ticks have 6 legs in the larval stage and 8 legs in the adult stage. If you live in an area where ticks are common, or if your dog has spent time in the woods, checking your dog's fur is imperative. Ticks can attach to any part of your dog, including the paws, belly, head, neck, ears, nose, and mouth. Make sure that their fur is parted, as smaller ticks can be difficult to see on thick-furred dogs. When inspecting your dog for ticks, always check for movement. Ticks can be irritated, and some dogs may kill these hitchhiking pests by scratching or biting them to alleviate the irritation. Getting rid of a dead tick is similar to getting rid of a live tick. Before attempting to remove anything from your pet, consult your veterinarian if you are uncomfortable removing a tick or if you are unsure whether the dark spot is a tick. To safely remove a dried, dead tick from your dog, wear gloves and follow these steps. Since Valentino fortunately doesn't have any ticks, we'll be using a fake spider to demonstrate how to remove a dead tick. First, part your dog's fur and place fine point tweezers or a tick removal tool around the tick, as close to your dog's skin as possible. Then gently pull upward and slowly apply pressure. Avoid squeezing the body of the tick too hard to prevent the engorged body from rupturing, which can spread infectious bacteria. Then continue to pull gently until the mouth parts have dislodged from your dog's skin, and be sure to avoid the twisting or moving the tweezers in a side-to-side motion. If you're unsuccessful in removing the tick head or mouth parts, try gently grabbing the remaining parts with your tweezers again. Next, place the dead tick in a Ziploc bag with a moistened paper towel to preserve the body for examination and possible analysis by your veterinarian. After removing ticks, clean the area with 70% isopropyl alcohol or 3% hydrogen peroxide. And finally, clean the removal tool with rubbing alcohol. Following removal of a dead tick, mild redness, a small bump or scab, and hair loss are normal findings at the bite site. Ensure to closely monitor the area and note the day and condition of your dog's skin. Immediately contact your veterinarian if your dog has pus, extreme redness, or dark skin in the area where the tick was removed. To ease some of the discomfort caused by a tick bite, try Native Pet's allergy chews and omega oil to support your dog's inflamed skin. You should also discuss tick prevention medications with your veterinarian and if a Lyme disease vaccination is recommended. Once a tick attaches to take a blood meal, disease transmission does not begin for at least 24 hours. It can take weeks to months for dogs to show tick-borne disease signs following a bite. Common signs may include joint pain, lameness, decreased appetite, fever, lethargy, swelling of the limbs, bruising, vomiting and diarrhea, or neurologic problems. Immediately seek veterinary care if your dog is showing any tick-borne disease signs. Almost all dogs who enjoy outdoor activities are at risk for tick bites, and it's important to remove ticks from your dog's body as soon as possible to prevent them from becoming infected with a potentially deadly bacteria like Lyme disease. For more tips on keeping your pet happy and healthy, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the Native Pet blog.